It's currently raining outside. You could be raining threes if you were buying your Jordans from Foot Locker. Unfortunately, it seems like even the Jordan brand is down at Foot Locker, as Foot Locker reported earnings today, and they weren't too pretty. So on a week when we had a lot of companies from the retail sector impress with very good earnings like Home Depot and Walmart, and surprisingly good earnings out of Target, Foot Locker didn't do it. Trust me on this. Earnings per share of 62 cents, at least they're making money, missed the street's estimate by 28 cents. That's a pretty significant miss. Revenues of 1.7 billion missed by 100 million, and that's down 4.5% year over year. So not only are they missing, and they missed earnings by a lot, but they missed revs too, and revs are down. That is a bad sign. Now, store count is up 5 to 3,359, but that doesn't mean they're not closing stores, because Foot Locker has been closing quite a few stores. So while stores are opening in places where Foot Locker might not, they might not have a foothold yet, no pun intended, Foot Locker in a lot of places where they're already quite domesticated, they're actually not doing that well. A lot of their clothes, if you've been in a Foot Locker to try to buy shoes or anything like that, a lot of their shoes look the same. A lot of the stuff is really color coordinated and blasé. At least it is up here in Canada. I don't even buy shoes at Foot Locker, and I'm a bit of a shoe prude, to be honest with you. I have quite a few pairs of Nikes, but I don't get them from Foot Locker. Comparable sales down 6%, and the margins just keep slipping. They're not doing anything to be able to prop themselves up anymore. They just keep losing money in every different way they can. They're definitely one of the retail companies I speak about when I say, hey, I know my shoe size. You think I can't go on Amazon or eBay and buy a pair of Nikes for cheaper than you're selling them because you got to pay overhead and they're still going to fit me just fine? Some guys got great feedback on eBay. I know what I'm getting. I know I'm getting exactly as described. Why do I got to walk into a Foot Locker and choose from 5 different pairs of shoes? Right? Like, let's face facts. Foot Locker, it's not going to work out in the long run. I can get shoes a lot better places with a lot better selection. We all know that.